Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Pro Vibes. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made my wig to look so lustrous like this. So stay
This is
tuned
the
and keep on
current state
watching.
of the wig. It looks so matted, crusty, and dried. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to detangle your wig properly. I use a white tooth comb to detangle my wig. You make sure you detangle it properly, both the ends and everything. As you can see, I'm detangling every area of the wig. So the next thing, this step is optional. You can use a detangling brush to further detangle the wig if it's very matted like this in the
So
video.
I'm using an old perfume bottle. I couldn't find my spray bottle, so I fill it up with water. So I use the old perfume bottle to apply water on my hair, as you can see in the video. Please note guys that curly hair loves water, so please give it the moisture in it so that your products can fully saturate inside the hair, into the hair. Or after saturating my hair with water, I went ahead again to use my white tooth comb to detangle from the ends to the roots. Be careful not to yank out too much hair. So the most important part we all have been waiting for. So I used any conditioner. Please note that this conditioner is not a leave-in conditioner. It's a rinse out conditioner. You don't leave it in. Is it? So this is Tresemme conditioner for flawless curl, but you can use any other one of your choice. So I went ahead and let my wig sit in a plastic bag for 15 minutes. So after letting the hair to sit for about 15 minutes, I went ahead to rinse out the conditioner. So guys, I went ahead to use Mega Growth Leave-In Strengthener or Leave-In Conditioner to apply on my hair. So this is the second product you'll be using. So this is the texture of the Leave-In Strengthener. This is how it looks like. So I went ahead to apply it on my hair thoroughly. Make sure you use a generous amount on your hair. So these are the two products I use, the Mega Growth Conditioner and Tresemme. So this is the current state of the wig. It's looking so lustrous, shining, and thin. I really hope you enjoyed this video. So I went ahead to try the wig for you guys to see it on my head. Hello guys, please, this is the end of the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you once again. Bye.